Lord, here I stand, thirsty for your grace. I search for peace in this barren place. I remember days when my spirit was full, oh how I shine. But there's a drought in my heart, Lord, I feel so confined. Regret like shadows creeping in my soul. I cry out for your mercy, Lord, I long to be whole. Refill my cup, Lord, I'm running dry, running dry. Fill me with love, let your presence be nigh, let it be nigh. Oh Lord, I need you, won't you hear my cry? Refill my cup, Lord, please don't pass me by. Lead me to still waters where the blessings flow. Restore my soul, Lord, make me whole. I need to know your love like a river, I know it runs deep. Come wash away my sorrow, Lord, revive my sleep. Refill my cup, refill my cup, running dry, running dry.